Hi, this is Pam, Pam's Paper Place. I received some more craft goodies from BeeBeeCraft that I'm going to unbox and review for you. Excited. I did cut that open, and I'll just pull out the items here. So this will be fun. And what I have is, let's see, what should we start with? Okay, I got some of this nylon thread, and I'll put the link to BeeBeeCraft and the items in the description. This is for jewelry making or craft projects. Nylon cord, 100 yards. Shows you what you have there. And I like this color here. Oh yeah, it's like a little... I thought it would be great for bead dangles and charm dangles on the spine of my journals. So I like that. I like that neutral color, and there's a lot. Look how much you get. That's a lot. So I'm excited about that. And then I thought I would get these beads, wood beads. There's the number there. And let's look at these wood beads. I want to make a little yarn hanging, not so much macrame. We got a little RV, and I'm making it the decor boho gypsy, so I thought I'd make a yarn type wall hanging. And look at these beautiful wood beads. Aren't they pretty? Wow. Let's see what the... So pretty. They have a little glossy tint to them. They're about a 1/2 inch. Yeah, about a 1/2 inch. Well, those are so pretty. Look at that one. I love these. So I'll be doing a project with these. Show you what I make with them. Love them. Look at that one. Kind of an orange. Nice variety. So that will be great for my little boho wall hanging that I'll make with yarn. Or so we have that. Oh, and then I got, they come in these really nice bags that are resealable. Look at all of these little Velcro, what do you call these? There's the number there. Velcro Dots. So I thought they'd be nice for little closures for journal envelopes, for, you know, even journal closures. But you get lots of these. I got 2 rolls of them, and they're real nice. They're sticky. This must be one side, yeah, and here's the other side to stick. So I'm going to be all set with these. So I'll do a little tutorial or show you how I will use those. I got that. Very nice. Love that. Lots of those. And then sometimes you kind of forget what you get. Oh, here was the number for this nylon cord. There. And I'll put it in the description also. And what did we get here? Let's see. Sometimes you forget what you get. Oh, these are wooden. What are they? They're wooden. Oh yeah, wooden tags. These are awesome. Little wooden tags. Here's the number for this. 100 pieces. These will be fun to color up. I cut the bag. I was opening it. Wow, 100 of these. Oh, these are awesome. You could do lots of things with these. Very nice. Very sturdy, but not too thick to put in a journal. And they are 1.5 wide, including that little top piece, about 2 3/4. Oh, I love these. Very fun. Wow, I'm excited. Got some great things from BeeBeeCraft. The last thing that I ordered was, let's see. A little box. Oh, I know what this is. I'll have to demonstrate this too. So stay tuned for my other demos. Oh, look at that. It's a seal, a wax seal applicator. And it has a little book. Let's see if I can get that a little better. Oops. Goes in and out. There. Ah. Okay. Come on. There. That's cool. So I'll show you how to do that. That's awesome. And I know they have all different kinds. So this is the number for this one. And yeah, I'll show you how that. It's very nice. This is heavy and real nice wood handle. Isn't that cool to stamp into a journal? That little book, open book. Very nice. So I'm excited. I got some really wonderful things from BeeBeeCraft, and I will show you in a couple videos how I use these products. So thank you so much for watching today. Take care.